During years of experience in working with clients and dealing with freelance projects, we found that the most crucial part of getting a job is your first impression and the way that you present yourself to your new potential clients. When you apply for a design or development job, especially as a freelancer, you're not asked for a college degree, for a referrer, or sometimes not even for a CV, but your previous works. This has been a reoccurring story that when an eye-catching portfolio is shown to a client, they sometimes make tweaks on their initial plan or sometimes even change the whole plan to move towards the styles and technologies that you have been using to present your works to them. A professional portfolio builds trust, eases communication with clients, and puts you in a much better position while negotiating the work conditions. And that's been the reason why we plan to develop a product that can serve this purpose for our community. This is an explainer video about Arashtad Portfolio, our latest product that is a 3D portfolio builder based on the WebGL technology that can create amazing interactive portfolios in real 3D format and render them inside web browsers in real time. All you need to make that first impression as unique as possible and leverage the chance of getting the job of your choice ASAP. This product is currently available for Joomla CMS as a package, but in the near future we will be releasing a WordPress version of it as a plugin. The Joomla package contains the main component, a template, and a plugin that work together in order to create 3D interactive portfolio pages on a Joomla website. Arashtad Portfolio can create unlimited portfolio pages on a single Joomla website, and it's very easy to customize and work with. The component is well integrated with the Joomla system, and it supports Joomla articles and contact components to handle those type of data and display them in the front end. Also, it matches the menu component of Joomla to give you the ability to create menus for portfolios using the native Joomla menu system. This product is well documented, and you can access all the information you need to know about it on the Arashtad documentation server. Also, if you would like to have a copy of this documentation in PDF format, you can access the ebook by clicking the link at the bottom of the documentation or visit the Arashtad Press server directly. The stable version of this product is currently available, and you can purchase it from the store at market.arashtad.com. And if you had any pre-sale question or after-sale support request, as always, we'll be here for you. This product has an easy flow for the admin but an advanced view for the visitors. This is what you get on the administrator panel after installing the package, and this is a simple, minimalistic form that you need to fill in order to create the whole portfolio. The next video of this chapter is a full video tutorial about this product, and by watching it you will gain all information you need to know about installing, managing, and creating portfolios with it. Also, for those of you who are into affiliate marketing, it's good to know that we have created a high commission affiliate program and a complete list of affiliate assets for this product that is available on Arashtad affiliate server. We use a fully automated affiliate system for our affiliate programs, and our partners are always able to track the result of their marketing activities on the platform in real time. As you see, whether you're a freelancer who's looking for a good way to show his amazing works, or a developer who's on a mission to create an interactive portfolio for clients, or an affiliate marketer who's looking for a high commission and well-paying program to join, this product has something to offer you. So stay tuned for more information, demos, and updates, and feel free to reach us for any type of questions, support requests, or affiliate meetings. In the next video of this chapter, we will go more in depth to see what exactly are the steps from beginning to the end to download this product, install it, and developing portfolios with it to present them to the clients. All the links and resources mentioned in this video are in the description, so please check them out to find out more information about this futuristic product. Thanks for watching.